Hi. Smarter Drop-Down List Manager Content Collector is the most powerful drop-down list manager version. The principle is to collect data values held in a sheet or across multiple sheets and send all of them to a destination lists. Get into SMCC, and click on Smarter Drop-Down List Manager Content Collector. There are only 3 master sheets to configure. Firstly, set the sheet names by clicking on this button. For me, I have 5 sheets that are Children's Center, Club, College, High School, Primary School. Set the names of the columns to feed by clicking here. I have 1 column to populate across all the sheets I set already. The name of the column is Task. And finally, set the drop-down list values by clicking here, and the values are: identify the requirements, foundation digging, start carpenter work, wall construction, electric work. Then run the feature by clicking on Run Smarter Drop-Down List Manager. Let's have a look at our destination sheets. Awesome. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.